Hey there folks, so it's Yat Kean here from Training Ground. Welcome back to another unboxing and also quick impression video. So with today's device, as you may know from the title, is this Infinix MagPower. So this is a wireless charger and portable battery, aka a power bank as well. So let's quickly check out what is it actually all about for some of those users or buyers. They do not know about this wireless magnetic power bank. Now, few things you need to just understand is that this is a light and slim design, 86 gram with 8.6 millimeters of thickness, and the capacity is actually 3020 milliamp battery. Yeah, I think it's pretty much that's it. For the charging speed is actually at a max of 18 watt. So let's unbox it. There you go. It is very slim. Boom. So basically, yeah, that's the package. Straightforward. This is how it looks like. So in order for you to check the power bank battery status, you can actually press the button over here. Yeah, it shows you. Okay, so I have here is the Infinix Note 40 Pro 5G review unit here, and I'm going to just attach it and try it out. So as you can see, if you are pairing with the Infinix Note 40 Pro 5G, you can use the halo notification, like how much has the wireless charging and so on. So you can see it's wireless charging it right now. Pretty much straightforward, and attaching onto the device actually feels slightly heavy. Nonetheless, it's easy for you to just maybe grab your phone and just go for a walk, wait for it to charge. It's very convenient, and perhaps for those who are always constantly on the move and they sometimes forgot to charge their device, this MagPower wireless charging and also power bank is going to be very convenient. Now for this guy here, I'm not sure whether they are included in the package for the Infinix Note 40 series, because I do saw that there are some international reviewers, they got it inside included with their Note 40 Pro Plus models. So for me, this Note 40 Pro 5G, it doesn't include with the MagPower over here, and you definitely have to purchase it or get it for free when you make the purchase, which is being offered by Infinix Malaysia. Overall, I have to say that the Infinix MagPower here is an amazing product to pair along with your Infinix Note 40 series devices. So check it out. It's going to produce the halo notification that your device right now is wireless charging. Truly tremendous. Recommendation, should you be buying it, consider it, or forget about it? I would say buy it, to be honest. It's so convenient to charge wirelessly right now, and as you are someone that is always on the go and might need a little bit extra of juice onto your device, is going to be a lifesaver. In terms for the ratings, I'll give it a solid 8.5 out of 10. So they would get a little bit higher score if they manage to cram in a little bit larger battery capacity over here, because I felt that at 3020 milliamp battery is mostly only for you to charge up to around like 50% of the battery of this Infinix Note 40 series before it's going to be running out of juice as well. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for the Infinix MagPower. Okay. Yeah. So if it's already available to purchase in your country, yeah, go and get it along with the Infinix Note 40 series devices. So I'm Yat Kean here from Training Ground. If you like this kind of video, please go and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It will help a lot for us to get more devices, and also follow us on the social media pages. Last but not least, head to the website, go and read all the news articles. With that, right now, Yat Kean from Training Ground, I have to bid you farewell. I'm gonna bow to you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next content. Okay, bye. Okay, go and get it quickly.